Last episode, an optimizer rewrote your prompts so you never had to tune them by hand. Now, a different question. What if the agent isn't a graph you draw at all, but a conversation between roles who take turns? That's AutoGen's shape. Today, you build a group chat, a planner, a coder, a critic, replay it with zero network, and watch it land on the same machine LangGraph runs. In LangGraph, you declare the shape up front, nodes and edges drawn before anything runs. AutoGen flips it. You declare who is in the room, a planner, a coder, a critic, and let a speaker selection policy decide who talks next. The graph is implicit, woven from the turns. Here is the room. 3 agents, each with a role and a voice. The planner proposes work. The coder writes it. The critic judges it. No edges are drawn between them. Instead, a selector picks the next speaker, turn after turn, and the path it walks is the graph you never typed. The coder's first turn is wrong on purpose. It returns a -b, not a +b. The critic catches it and rejects, so the selector routes back to the coder for a second turn. That rejection then fix is a real retry, not a faked one, because the wrong words are scripted and the routing is real code. Watch the path: planner, coder, critic again, planner. 6 turns, 2 per agent. On the last turn, the planner says ship it and sets terminate, and the loop stops. Lay this beside a LangGraph state transition graph, and the silhouette is identical. Same routing, same state, different drawing. The program builds an AutoGen-style group chat with no network. Each agent's model is a replay chat completion client, or scripted LLM, that replays canned completions in strict order. The speaker selector is a fixed list, so the whole chat is a pure function of script and seed. 3 clients, 3 scripts. The coder's first scripted line is the deliberate bug, return AB. Its second is the fix, return A plus B. The critic's scripts carry a verdict, reject, then approve. Only the words are fake. The turn-taking machinery is the real API. The selection list is the policy: planner, coder, critic, planner. Each step, the loop logs a select, calls that agent's client, logs the utter, and if the verdict is reject, logs a retry. The planner's terminate flag breaks the loop. Run it. The trace prints 6 utterances, 2 per agent, 1 retry where the critic rejected the buggy code, and the speaker path ending in terminate on the planner. Then it runs the whole chat twice and asserts the 2 traces are byte identical. Replayed completions plus a scripted selector means no drift. The conversation reproduces exactly the same contract a LangGraph run lives under. The hero figure is a turn timeline, 1 swim lane per agent, a dot per utterance, the selection path traced through them. Drawn straight from the trace, 6 dots total the headline. Conversation first and node graph are 2 pictures of the same agent, a router, a state, some tools. Pick the shape your team can read. Next, the agent ran, but did it actually work? We trace it, score it, and learn to trust it.